old devotee of Swami who's been coming from the 70s. He became an architect eventually. And Swami has been talking to that person since he was a student, and so he went through this education. So he became an architect who builds luxury homes, right? So that's his speciality. So one fine day Swami calls him and Swami tells him, look, I'm building a hospital. I'm building the second hospital in Bangalore. I want you to do the designs for that. And this person said, Swami, I've never done any building like that. I'm always doing luxury homes and luxury buildings. Swami said, no, I want you to do this for me. And Swami said, you do it. So he went back and his entire firm sat on it for 3 months. And at the end of 3 months, they had all the diagrams. It could be very complicated. They have to have all the diagrams in place. So he does all of that and he comes to Swami. He's pretty satisfied. He said, in 3 months, it's pretty good progress that we've made. So he makes all of these designs and he comes to Swami. Swami is in Parthi. Swami is staying in the Purnachandra at that time. So Swami calls him and he sends word. So he takes all of these diagrams in these long, architects have these cases. And when he goes inside Swami's room is filled with models. Models are done after the diagrams, right? According to architecture. So he goes there and Swami is telling him, this model has come from this place. This model has come from this architect. All architects whose names he reads in textbooks, they've all sent models. Swami said, all these people want to do. Then he looked at the diagrams in his hand, which was his first attempt at designing a hospital. Swami showed him all the models and said, but I want you to do it for me. Swami does not seek the best. If Swami wanted the best speakers, Arvind and I will not be here. If Swami wanted the best singers, some of our friends who sing in the mandir will not be singing there. All Swami wanted was that with a pure heart, you offer what you have. And whatever it is, he was ready to accept.